Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Matthew Allo, your Microsoft Excel instructor. So today we are going to learn about flash fill. Flash fill in Microsoft Excel. So we will learn about advanced fill, fill numbers, fill months, fill days, custom list, fill up, down, right, and left. Okay, now here you have a table containing this data. So to do this, you want to, for instance, from this product number, you want to just bring out only, just extract only the first four digits. So you just type it into the first cell, 1000. Okay, that's the first four digits. Then go to the second cell and press Ctrl E to generate the rest. Okay, so then for the first three digits here, the product number, so you just click the first cell and type 100. That's the first three digits. So click the second cell and say press Ctrl E on the keyboard to generate the rest data. So for the middle digits, the middle three digits, so you just type 300. Sorry, this is 200. Then you go to the next cell and press Ctrl E, okay, to generate the rest. Now see how to fill months, how to fill days. Okay, to fill months and days, for instance, so we have the month here, January. Then to fill up the month, just drag the fill handle down, right? So you drag the fill handle down. So that is how you fill a month. Okay, so that's how you fill months. Then okay, let's delete this. Okay, then again you want to fill days. To fill days, you just type the Monday, the first day, then you drag down, right? So drag down to generate the rest up till Sunday. So you get to Sunday, it starts again all over from Monday again. So okay, so if you want to have it as an abbreviation, so you have Jan, there are the first three letters, so you can just drag down right to December. You can see that first three letters. So for filling numbers, to fill number, so the same thing, just drag the fill handle down, right? So that is that. Then for the number, if you want to create interval between two numbers, just start the first two numbers. So select them and you can see that you want to make the difference constant. So you just drag down. You can see that the difference between the numbers is just 100. Then for the January year, okay, this has been done. So don't forget, just drag down the fill handle, click this cell and drag down the fill handle. Okay, then to create custom list, for the custom list, so we may want to create a list so as to avoid writing the same names every time you need to get information concerning those names. Anytime you need information concerning those names, you can just, for instance, you have your staff, the names of your staff members. So you just want to create a custom list for it, or you are a lecturer, you have students that you attend to regularly, so you can just decide to create a list for them. So how do you achieve this? So first thing, let's click this cell. So first thing is just to go to the file tab, then go to options, then go to advanced, then you scroll down to edit custom lists. Okay, so just type the names. For instance, if the first name you have is James, you put comma, you have John, comma, you have Gabriel, then comma, you have Victor, comma, you have Joshua, comma, you have Israel. comma. You have Paul, comma. You have Mary, comma. So these are the names. Once you are done, after you click the new list, you type the names, the list entries under the list entry box, then you click add. Okay, so then you click OK here. So then you click OK here again. Then the first name, which is James. So you begin with that name, then you just drag down the fill handle to generate the rest. So all the name that you have typed up to down to Mary, okay, will be filled up. Okay. Then another thing is how to fill up, down, right, and left. Okay, so you can just come here and type, for instance, you type Monday. Okay, let me make it at the center so that it will produce the right results. So Monday. So we want to fill up. The other place to go is to just select the cells that you want the name to fill up. So you've selected that, you go to the home tab, then in the editing group you have fill here. So first of all we fill right, you can see that. Then again you can select and drag towards left, you go to fill, then fill left. Okay, then you want to fill up or fill down, you can fill down here, go to fill down. Okay, then select it again, then go up and click fill up. Okay, good. So I want to believe that you really understand all that we've learned today. So I will just encourage you to go over this again. So we've learned about flash fill, how you can use advanced fill, then fill numbers, fill months, fill days, custom fill up, down, right, and left. Okay, so we are going to stop here and we are going to meet in the next class. So then we'll consider another interesting topic. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.
I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.